Today I'm gonna show you how to get free unlimited money. First thing you need to do is to download an app called ADFly Bot, version 5, and a proxy list. I have all the files that you'll need in the description. Once you have downloaded the app, install it and open it. Now go to ADFly and register with a new account. As you can see, I have only 13 views. Now shrink a link, it can be anything. Copy it and paste it here. Try to shrink 2 more links and paste them back to the app. Now load the proxy list that you have already downloaded. Choose the wait seconds. Check the loop box and click start. Remember that you can run this application in many windows as you like, so as to get more views in less time. After 10 minutes, open ADFly on your browser and refresh the window. You can see that I have 285 click and $1 in less than 10 minutes. For example, if you run this app for 5 hours, you'll get $30. And if you run this app in daily basis, you can earn $900 in a month. Remember, that is up to you how much money you'll earn. More hours of use means more money. If you like this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up, comment if you'd like, and subscribe to my channel to be the first ones to see what I upload next.